Every time that we're gonna record a video, we take a picture instead. It's like something that's never gonna change. It's something like. Okay, so this video is we are trying to find
our best angle.
Yeah, so
like we were trying to take a picture for Snapchat. We were like,
like. So that's how we find out that we're gonna have to find our best angle.
Yeah.
Ready?
Ready.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Go. Like this. Woo! Oh, I found mine.
That's my best angle.
Maybe this one. I think this one's my best angle.
Oh yeah. Sure.
Okay.
This time.
Same bunny. Bunny.
I'll say that. Beanie.
Beanie.
I guess.
I don't know. Whatever.
Toca.
Toca. In Portuguese, that's what it means.
Way easier.
T-O-C-A. It's easier.
There's other.
Our hat. We have the same hat. So yeah. Share, subscribe, like it, thumbs up for accent. Yeah, bye.
And the song you're listening to is Anitta, MC Anitta. What's her name?
No para.
Don't Stop.
Don't stop, but it's no para in Portuguese. We're gonna write it down there. If you wanna listen, we're gonna put the link for YouTube video. It's nice, kind of.
Yeah.
Something like it.
Okay. Yeah. Whatever.
Bye.